You are ready. A new chapter has been hovering over you for a long period of time. The door you have been looking for will finally be revealed. You won't be waiting much longer now. The universe eager to show you the blessing it has made for you. Repeat after me. I am grateful for everything that's happened in my life. I am grateful for everything that's happened in my life. Everything has led me to where I am right now. Everything has led me to where I am right now. I am stronger because I conquer my challenges and overcome my limits. I am stronger because I conquer my challenges and overcome my limits. I am wiser because I learned valuable lessons and leveled up. I am wiser because I learned valuable lessons and leveled up. I am worthy because I see my true values. Nothing can stop my climb to the top. I am worthy because I see my true values. Nothing can stop my climb to the top. The lessons you need to learn are now permanently implanted in your mind. The habits you need to break are now a thing of a past. The emotion you needed to release from your head, heart and spirit have been gone. These final moments before you rise require the greatest amount of the faith, patience and dignity from your soul. What meets you on the other side of that door is beyond anything you could have dreamed. Prepare to be amazed. The warrior within you has earned divine surprise. Let's repeat affirmation one more time and be grateful for everything that is happening in our life. I am grateful for everything that's happened in my life. Everything has led me to where I am right now. I am stronger because I conquered my challenges and overcome my limits. I am wiser because I learned valuable lessons and leveled up. I am worthy because I see my true value. Nothing can stop my climb to the top. Thank you for watching. Stay positive.